Hey friends, I'm Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. The Ottocast brand recently launched a new car gadget. It's called Otto Car TV Mate, and unlike their previous CarPlay AI boxes, this one is actually a digital video output device. This compact adapter enables your car screen to use devices like TV sticks, Android boxes, gaming consoles on the main screen of your car. So basically you can turn your car screen into a TV. Just keep in mind that this device also works only in those cars that support wired CarPlay function. Now let's first do a quick unboxing to check out the contents in the box, and then I will connect this with my car and show you how this actually works. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so now let's do the unboxing of this Ottocast Car TV Mate. It comes in this small box. So you've got the image of the device on top. So not a lot of details on the pack itself. So let's open it now. Alright, so these are the things that we get inside the box. So basically you get the device, and you get a converter adapter. So this basically is a type A to type C converter adapter. In case your car has a type C slot, then you need to use this to convert this type A to type C. So just plug it like this and then connect this in your car. Alright. And then this is the main Ottocast Car TV Mate. As you can see, it's a very small and compact design. It's a very small size, a squarish black design. It's very lightweight. Now you get hardcore cable connected to this device, so in terms of the connections, you've got two connections here. This is the HDMI in and also the USB-A flash drive, and then you get this long cable. This is where you connect this cable connection with the USB plug in your car. Alright, so this is just a car TV digital converter. It will convert any signal from a TV stick or an Android TV box, a satellite box, a gaming console, anything that you connected on this side with the HDMI in, then gets reflected on the screen of your car. So it's a very simple, it's not one of those CarPlay AI boxes. So this one does not have an Android system built in. This is just a signal converter. So basically the way it works is, let's say if you've got your TV stick or a Fire TV stick or any other device that you want to put on the screen of your car. I've got my TV stick here. What you do is connect the HDMI here like this, and then you need to power this through the USB. So you've got a couple of options. I've got the cable with me here, so you can connect this end here, type C goes here, and then this one, either you can connect this to another USB slot in your car. If you have two USB slots, you can use one to connect this for power and the other one for this device. If you've got only one, then you can use this USB-A slot here on this to use this for power, like this. Here you go. So this is your full package. You just connect this with your USB slot in the car, and then you will get on the screen the user interface on the main page of this device. Now in this case, I've got my TV stick. So now let me take this out, set it up in the car, and I'll show you how this entire thing works. But as you can see, this is the full package. The only negative for me is that this becomes a really big thing, right? So you'll have to find a place in your car to put this entire thing so it doesn't, clutter the space in your car. So that's the only bit of negative for me. If you've got other devices, smaller Fire sticks or smaller TV sticks or any smaller devices, that would be more convenient. I've got a really big one, so I'll have to find a place in my car where I can put this. It's hidden in the glove box or somewhere else. So guys, let me take this out to my car and then I'll show you how this entire thing works. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so I'm in my car and I've got this device ready. As you can see, I've connected my TV stick with it, and the TV stick is also connected to the USB-A for power. And then I've also attached the converter adapter because my car has a Type-C connection. So what I'll do now is I simply need to connect this Type-C USB cable to the USB slot in my car, and that's where it goes. So let's attach this. And as you can see, now, as I said earlier, it has become a big unit, so I'll have to find a place to hide this, maybe in the glove box here. But as soon as you connect this, you will see it on the screen. The Fire Stick video startup starts, and this is how it looks. It takes a few seconds for this device to start and then get to the main home page of the landing page or the Android system of the device that you've connected. So I've connected my Android TV stick, so it will take me to the home page of the Android user interface. If you've connected a gaming console, it will take you to the home page of your game. If you've connected any other device like a cable TV box or any other devices, it will take you to the home page of that device accordingly. So this is how it looks. As you can see, it's quite clear. It's nothing but actually reflecting the device that you've connected, right? So this Ottocast Car TV Mate is just a video converter or an output device, and then as soon as you connect it, it will try to auto fit as per the screen size. So as you can see, my screen size is kind of a landscape size, and if I and you see it on the left side and the right side, there's a lot of area which is blank. So if I want to stretch this to the full screen, I just need to do this, and then this gets stretched to fill the entire screen, at least on the right side. On the left side, I still see some space. But the problem with that is because of the aspect ratio goes off, the few things will see as quite stretched. So as you can see here, the apps here, YouTube, the logo, as well as the text is a bit stretched because it is trying to force fit my screen outside the aspect ratio. But if I do this and bring it back to the right size, you will see everything looks quite nice. So very quick to connect. So as soon as you connect this device with your screen, it takes a few seconds and you get to see the home page of whichever device that you've connected. Now the good thing here is that in my case, my car has the CarPlay functionality, the wireless CarPlay functionality. So if I want to use navigation, music, make calls, I can simply go to the Apple CarPlay user interface on my screen. But if I want to watch, let's say, YouTube, Netflix, or live TV, I simply need to go to the output here on my screen, and I will get to see the user interface of whichever device I've connected. So I've already connected my Fire Stick. This is how it looks. So what I'll do now is start testing some of the different applications on my TV stick to see if it works, and also see what quality do we get on the screen. Even if you have a touchscreen like mine, I can't actually use the touchscreen to operate the device I have. You can only use that through a remote control. So I will control my TV stick user interface with the remote control, but I cannot do that through the touchscreen. Unlike the CarPlay AI boxes that I've tested on my channel, you can actually use the touchscreen to operate that device. So what we will do now is start testing different functions, just a few apps to see the overall quality that we get through this HDMI converter. So the first thing we will do is let's try to go to YouTube and test one of the videos. Alright, so let's stretch it to full screen. So as you can see, if we stretch it, we actually get the full screen, and if we want to play a video, it should not look bad. There you go. So it looks quite nice. This is just one of the ads on YouTube, but the important thing here is to see that looks quite nice. Now the other good thing here is because it's connected through the HDMI, you also get the sound through the car system. So I can now operate this device through the steering wheel control, so I can reduce the volume, but I cannot use obviously the touchscreen. Looks quite nice. I've tested this since yesterday. I'm playing, this is a high definition video on the YouTube app, and we can actually go and see if we're getting high resolution on this. So this is 4K 2160p. So we actually can play on this HDMI converter 2160p, which is 4K output. As you can see, it looks quite nice. The important thing here for us to see is if it lags, if it buffers, or if it gives you any trouble when you're playing any video content on this device. And as you can see, it's very nice, very clear, and it's very smooth as well. Let's check out the sound quality. All right, so YouTube is working fine, absolutely no issues, very smooth. Let's go back to the home page. We can also obviously play any application. If you've connected a TV stick, then it's just like a tablet. So actually your car screen turns into a TV, a smart TV with all these applications that you can use, like the video streaming apps, social media apps. So we've got Netflix as well. I don't have the login details, so I'm not going to test that. The other thing you can do is actually watch live TV. I've got my live TV application on this TV stick, so we can quickly go. I won't be actually showing you a lot of those channels due to the copyright, but I just wanted to see how it looks on this device. All right, so it looks quite nice. Let's play some channels. All right.
Here before.
All right, so the live TV is working perfectly fine. Even if I stretch it to full screen, it doesn't matter because it looks quite nice. If I don't want to stretch it, I can bring it back to the original aspect ratio. It looks fine as well. So it doesn't matter if you stretch it to if you've got a really big screen and it's a landscape kind of a screen, then if you stretch it, then you would not be able to have the best picture quality on the screen. But if you've got more of a squarish screen, then it would be perfectly fitting the screen. So looks quite nice. I just wanted to test a few apps on this, and I wanted to check the sound. The sound quality is amazing because it's connected through the HDMI. The overall picture quality is also quite nice. We've tested YouTube, also tested the live TV. Obviously, you can, if you've connected a TV stick, you can go and test other applications. It's just a video converter, so anything that you're able to play on your device would be reflected on the main screen here. So looks quite nice, guys. Just keep one thing in mind: this is not a CarPlay AI box, so you would not be getting things like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, the navigation, calls, all those kind of things. This is just a converter. It's a video converter that will convert any device that you attach with it, like a gaming console, TV stick, Android device, cable device, anything that you connect with this device, will get reflected on the screen of your car. So basically, it's converting your car screen into a smart TV. All in all, looks quite nice. It's a new gadget. I haven't seen these type of devices in the market. Ottocast is the first one to launch this. Looks very, very nice. So depending on your need, if you are looking for a device that enables you to connect your devices like TV sticks or gaming consoles, and you want to watch those in the car, then it's a very good device. It's highly recommended. And if you like it, if you want to buy this device, it's not very expensive. You can simply go to the link in the description of this video. It will take you directly to the official store where you can buy this very nice Ottocast car TV mate video adapter. That's it, friends. If you like my content, you can go and support this channel with the super thanks icon below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys.